Hello friends, today our topic is firewall types. Today we will discuss what are the different types of firewall. Myself, Dinesh Patni. So I am going to start this topic. So there are mainly five types of firewall. Number one is packet filtering firewall. Number two is circuit level gateways. Number three is application level gateways or we call it proxy firewalls. Fourth one is stateful inspection firewalls, and last one is next generation firewall or NGFWS. So we will start with packet filtering firewalls, then we will move on up to number 5. So what is packet filtering firewall? Packet filtering firewall are normally deployed on routers which connect to internal network to internet. As the most basic and oldest type of firewall architecture, packet filtering firewall basically create a checkpoint at a traffic router or switch. The firewall performs a simple check of the data packets coming through the routers, inspecting information such as destination and originating IP address, packet type, port number, and other surface level information without opening the packet to inspect its contents. Packet filtering firewall works on the basis of rules defined by access control list. They check all the packets and screen them against the rules defined by the network administrator as per the ACLs. If in case any packet does not meet the criteria, then that packet is dropped and logs are updated about this information. Administrator can create their ACL on the basis of addresses, protocols, and packet attributes. So now we will see what are the advantage and disadvantage. Advantage of packet filtering firewall are the biggest advantage of filtering firewall is cost and lower resource usage. It is best suited for small network. Advantage are firewall do not support complex rule based models vulnerable to spooking in some cases. Now we will see circuit level gateway firewall. And another simplest firewall type that is meant to quickly and easily approve or deny traffic without consuming significant computing resources. Circuit level gateways works by verifying the transmission control protocol or TCP handshake. This TCP handshake check is to make sure that the session the packet is from is legitimate. Major screening happens before the connection is established. Information sent to a computer outside the network through a circuit level gateway appears to have originated from gateway. This helps in creating a stealth cover for private network from outsiders. So advantage of this circuit level gateway firewall are circuit level gateways are comparatively inexpensive and provides anonymity to the private network. Disadvantage are circuit level gateways do not filter individual packets. After establishing a connection, an attacker may take advantage of this. While extremely resource efficient, these firewalls do not check the packet itself. So, if a packet held malware but had the right TCP handshake, it will pass right through. This is why circuit level gateways are not enough to protect your business by themselves. Now we will see application level gateways or proxy firewalls. Proxy firewall operate at the application layer to filter incoming traffic between your network and the traffic resource. Hence the name application level gateway is given. Rather than letting traffic connect directly, the proxy firewall first establish a connection to the resource of the traffic and inspect the incoming data packet. Proxy firewall may also perform deeper layer inspection, checking the actual contents of the information packet to verify that it contains no malware. Once the check is complete and the packet is approved to connect to the destination, the proxy sends it off. This creates an extra layer of separation between the client or the system where the packet originated, and the individual device on your network, obscuring them to create additional anonymity and protection of your network. Application level gateways works on the application layer of OSI model and provides protection for a specific application layer protocol. Proxy servers is the best example of application level gateways firewalls. Application level gateways would work only for the protocols which is configured. For example, if we install a web proxy based firewall, then it will only allow HTTP protocol data. They are supposed to understand application specific commands such as HTTP get and HTTP post as they are deployed on application layer for a specific protocol. So advantage of application level gateways or proxy firewall are: proxy firewall may also perform deeper layer packet inspection, so it prevents risk. Application level firewall can also be configured as caching servers, which in turn increase the network performance and makes it easier to log traffic. Disadvantage are: if there is one drawback to proxy firewall, it is that they can create significant slowdown because of the extra steps in the data packet transfer process. Now we will come to stateful multi-layer inspection firewall. Stateful multi-layer inspection firewall is a combination of all the firewalls that we have studied till now. They can filter packets at network layer using ACL, check for legitimate session on the session layer, and they also evaluate packets on the application layer. Stateful multi-layer inspection firewall can work on a transparent mode, allowing direct connection between the client and the server, which was earlier not possible. Stateful multi-layer inspection firewall can also implement algorithm and complex security models which are protocol specific, making the connection and data transfer more secure. Advantage of these firewall are: these firewalls combines both packet inspection technology and TCP handshake verification to create a level of protection greater than either of the previous mentioned architecture could provide alone. Disadvantage, however, these firewalls do put more of a strain on computing resources as well. This may slow down the transfer of legitimate packets compared to the other solutions. Next generation firewall or NGFW. Many of the most recent released firewall products are being marked as next generation architecture. Some common features of next generation firewall architecture includes deep packet inspection, checking the actual content of the data packet, TCP handshake checks, and surface level packet inspection. Next generation firewall may include other technology as well, such as IPS that work to automatically stop attacks against your network. The issue is that there is no one definition of a next generation firewall, so it is important to verify what specific abilities such firewalls have before investing in one. So next generation firewall basically have many features, just like earlier you need to add multiple devices to protect your system. Now in next generation firewall, all devices are kept inside a single box. For example, if you want to connect to if you want that some URL filtering should be done, it is in the same device. If you want that antivirus should be checked, it will be on the same device. If you want anti-spyware to be checked, it will be on the same device. Similarly, all the functions are performed and managed by single device, and the processing capability of this next generation firewall are very much. So the throughput what we will get earlier and now will be different. This is because the software used by next generation firewall is completely different, and in hardware side these next generation firewall are much updated. So scanning of all the packets which are coming is done. Same way in hardware side we have multiple CPUs for different purposes, for different control plane and management plane. The advantage of next generation firewall is it provides all features in one platform. So whatever applications or whatever solutions you are looking to prevent the security threats of current environment. It provides all solution to all these problems in a one platform. And disadvantage of this firewall is higher cost because small organization could not afford it. So it is good for more big organization who can afford it. So in this video, I have explained different types of firewall. I think this video is useful for you. I have my YouTube channel named iEducation. Please like this channel, comments whatever you want to comment on these videos, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.